Good morning, Kedron. This is Daniel Hooper from 1% Property coming to you on this gorgeous Brisbane Friday morning on the 20th of August 2021 with your property market update for the last 7 days. So in Queensland, we had 1,531 sales in across the state, which is a good figure. It's actually very, very strong. It's stronger than we've seen in recent weeks, which is very good. An auction clearance rate of 81%, up on 54% this time last year. Around 77% this time last week. Early 80s is pretty much the strongest auction clearance rates we've had at all. We had that back in February, March. So it really shows that there might have been a slight slowing of the growth in the last couple of months, but it's starting to strengthen again. The buyers are out in the market. The properties are not there. People are coming into state. It's big things for homeowners in Brisbane. It's a fantastic time to sell property. In the inner north, we had 30 sales, which again is a very strong figure. Some notable sales. We're getting some really incredible prices at the moment. 17 Yarder Street in Kedron, which is a original condition, 1975 high-set home. I think 647 square meters. That property sold for $1,057,500. Original condition. It's unrenovated. That's a very, very big price for Kedron, especially outside of the avenues. So good news for homeowners, definitely. You've got 3 East Street as well. Now that is a nice home. It's on a 500 square meter block, no pool. That sold for $1,540,000, which again is a good result. 96 Patina Street in Stafford, that one sold for $1,485,000. Again, another really good result. It's just fantastic to see some really incredible results across our local area, across Brisbane's inner north. It's really, really good news for homeowners and obviously fantastic to be involved in that market. In the media at the moment, house prices are up by 17.7% in the last 12 months in Brisbane. Apartment prices are up by 7%. So obviously the majority of the growth is in housing, but apartments are actually starting to see some growth, which is a fantastic change on what we saw, we've seen over the last, say, 5 or 6 years, where there have been a couple of years where things have actually gone down. So, amazing growth in houses, decent growth in apartments, overall a pretty strong property market and fantastic outlook for homeowners across the city. In August so far, we've had a total increase of 1%. So, I think pretty much on par with what we've seen in the previous months, between 1.5% and 2% growth. So the growth is continuing. There's no signs of slowing there. Stock is still really low, around 29% of the rolling 5-year rolling average. It's 29% lower, sorry. So we're still sitting around that 28 to 30% below average stock levels mark. And while the stock is low, there are not enough houses for buyers. Properties are going to continue to go up in price really quickly. Another interesting statistic is that currently sales in Brisbane, when compared with new listings coming on the market, are 1.5 times that. So for every new listing that goes on the market, there's 1.5 sales. So that just means that the number of properties on the market, the stock on the market, is going to continue to actually go down, which is not going to help buyers, but it's obviously going to bolster prices because it's going to be a lack of supply in the coming 6 to 12 months. At 1% Property, it has been a massive week. 20 Larwood Street in Ferny Hills, sold that in 6 days. That is sold and settled $910,000. 6/42 Hilltop Avenue in Chermside. That particular property was sitting on the market for 500 days before the owner got in touch with me. I sold it in 2 weeks. We're now unconditional as of yesterday. 79 Queenscroft Street in Chelmer. Very, very sought after street, beautiful suburb. That one sold in 6 days as well. We had 5 offers on the table after less than a week. And that is obviously now under contract as well. 19th and 11th Avenue, going to auction next Saturday. Lots and lots of interest. 1 offer received already on that property. If you're about, please come check out the auction next Saturday, 4 p.m, if not sold prior. 16 Dorrigo Street in Stafford Heights. That is a stunning home spread across a single level. It's beautiful. 4-bed, 3-bath. It is going to auction on Saturday the 11th. So if you're in the area, please come check it out. 11 Robinia Street in Alex Hills is on the market. Very, very popular property. If you're looking for something on the Bayside, please give me a call. And also 172 Gympie Road in Kedron, sold and settled. I sold that property in 3 days off market, actually to my photography company, So it obviously, it shows it pays to talk to everyone about your properties and get them out to all avenues. That one sold for just over $1.3 million, which is a fantastic price. Very, very happy vendors, very, very happy buyers. If anyone has any questions about property, if you'd like to get an update on the value of your home based on the fact that it's probably going to be a lot more than you think it's worth, please give me a call, 0424585391. Otherwise, I hope you've had a fantastic week so far, and I hope the weekend is even better.